Hello student, in this video we talk about the audio setting in Filmora 12. Right, in previous class we discussed the fade in and fade out, and in this class we discussed the remaining feature of audio setting in the Filmora 12. Right, so for this purpose I downloaded some stock media footages. Right, you see this, I downloaded some traveling videos from this free stock footages. Right, and from here I download the sports trap beat music for background. Right, so first we listen this music, so I play this video. Now I normalize this audio, so click on audio, and from here you see this window, auto normalization. So click on this button, your audio will be normal, right, and it play will be smoothly. And from here you also increase the dB. So I increase the dB from here, the maximum rate is the 12, and from here I decrease the dB, the maximum rate is the 0 minus 100. Right, so from here you also reset it, and now I increase the dB to the 3.6. right, now I again play it to see the changes. From here I increase the laptop voice. Right, now I stop it. Right, and now we discuss it, the sound balance. Right, L means the left side and R means the right side. If I increase to the right side 100, right, in hand free you listen on the right ear. Right, if I move it to the left side, enhance it, you listen this video or audio, right, into the left ear. Right, so it is the sound balance to the right side or to the left side. From here you reset it, so it will be equally listen into your right ear and in your left ear. Right, so from here we also discuss this to the fade in. Right, and from here to the fade out. Right, and from here you increase or decrease the pitch of the volume. So first I play it to the normal. Now I increase the pitch, so you listen, the pitches change. Now I decrease it, so the pitch is continuously changing. Right, you also use your own pitch. From here you set to the pitch normal. On the audio decking we have created a new video to discuss this feature. Right, so from here we use the equalizer. Right, it is the default setting. Right, the preset volume set. So I select the dance and then click on it. Now I change it to the low bass. On the pop it will be changed, and from here you also use the custom setting. Select the custom and then click your setting. Right, so I first reset it and then click on setting, and from here you also select your custom setting. So you also make your own sound. So we set this sound. Right, and then apply on it, it will be applied. Now I play it. So I apply on it. From here you also reset it, click on it, it will be reset by default. Right, the volume will be changed. Right, and from denoise we have made to another video. Right, so it is a normal method, a normal setting of volume in the Filmora 12 to discuss with you. Thank you.